Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to import products straight to your store, and not just import products, bulk import them with a click of one button straight from the Salesource app. I know it kind of sounds too good to be true, but just watch and learn. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is go onto products. So if that's Shopify products, or it could be AliExpress products, but let's start with Shopify. So if you have a store of any kind of niche, you'll be able to find products there. I, for one, love pets, so I would probably look into pet items. It doesn't matter what the product is, you can simply just import any product straight to your store. So if I find a product and go all the way to the right hand side here and click import to Shopify, this product should have imported straight to my store. Now let's see if that's worked. Okay, it says it has, but if I go to my store and then click products, fingers crossed, is it there? Okay, yes, it worked. And that's it. That's how I can quickly and easily import products straight to my store. I'm also going to show you how it works on AliExpress. So now we have some real dog products up here. Let's try this. Awesome. And down here at the bottom, I should be able to analyze this product, bringing it into Salesource, and from here I should be able to go onto Shopify product and then import it straight into my store. Okay, again, let's see if this works. Woohoo! Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is analyze a product. So this is a store called Arctic Chair, and if you've seen any of my other videos, you will have seen that this store is making a lot of money. And what we can do from here is we can import this straight to my Shopify store. If we like it, we can see that it's gonna go well. I can hit import to Shopify, and that should land straight in my store. So now I can view it in my Shopify store. I'm going to analyze this product using the icon just here. So with a click of one button, I'm hoping to extract a lot of data. So here we go. If I wanted to sell this product myself, I'll know how many orders this product has had, so how popular it is, how much money has been spent on this product, which we can see here is a lot of money. And we can also see the average supplier price, so I know I'm not going to be ripped off. Another really interesting piece of information here is how much it's being sold for, so you can see exactly how much profit you'd be making from this particular product, and which supplier has had the most orders, which will usually mean it's the most reliable. And from this information, I can decide which one I would like to import to my store. So the next thing you can do is go onto Shopify products. We can see who else is selling products like this and how successful their stores might be and when they were last launched. I can see which stores are selling it and how much traffic they have coming into their store. I'll also be able to get inspiration about what I might want my store to look like if this is similar to my niche. So this is how much money they're making each month. And this is what their store looks like. Extremely professional. And the last thing I can do is download any of these product images, completely copyright free, and then I can use them for my website and also for my ads.